Hi, Catherine. Hi, Mr. Spare. This is Nick, and I'll be out there tomorrow at noon. This is the screencast. We call it that, but it's really an overview of your site and how you compare to the competition. I'm going to give you 3 to 4 items as a takeaway that you could either implement yourself to generate more traffic, thus more clients, or I'm happy to help you out with it. So let's take a look at your site initially. Whenever I highlight something, you should be able to see this go off. And the first thing I want to point out is your phone number. Traditionally, 10 times out of 10, the phone number is above the fold up here. And what we mean by that, rather than down here, is when we scroll, see how this stays? That's where you want your phone number to be, okay? And also, you can see if I touch here, it has the finger, that's a click to call. That's perfect. That's what you want, because a lot of times people are looking at this on cell phones and stuff. You want it to be as easy as possible. Now, one area that I strongly recommend some changes, Google recommends 2,000 words on a homepage. Content is king. In this case, you've probably got less than 100. So I definitely say put more content on the homepage. Each of the inner pages are typically 1,000 words. Google, when they do a search, when someone puts in DUII, let's say law, Bend, Oregon, they want to look for the most trustworthy, most content-filled return. So let's take a look over here. When I type in DUII attorney in Bend, Oregon, right? After the ads, you've got something called the map pack. I'll get to that in a moment. But as we scroll down, nobody can find you. As a matter of fact, if I copy these words and go back to your site, click on this little tool right here. See it right here? If I were to put in DUI attorney Bend, Oregon, DUII, you're not in the top 100. People are going to choose the first page result that looks the most trustworthy, okay? Something else on your page, if we go to, let's say, the About page, and click on any image, Google reads content, like we said, right? It doesn't read images, but it reads what you save images as, and these can be keywords, such as DUII attorney Bend, Oregon. But if you see saved image, I'm just saving as kind of a garbled piece for all of your images. So at this point, content, right? Phone number above the fold, and then images saved as keywords. After we look at the site here, let's take a look at this tool I've got called Ahrefs. Ahrefs is about $1,000 a month, but it tells me how websites perform. Okay, so what we want to look at are backlinks and organic keywords and traffic. Backlinks are just links back to your site from credible sources. Okay, they should be filled with keywords as well. So you can see here we've got some of your backlinks. Those are fine, but we're also going to look at your competitor here, because as we look at this, you've got 3 keywords only. I don't know if patent attorney is something, definitely your name, but even on your name, you're not ranking. See what I mean? There's 60 searches a month for Thomas Spare. May not just be you, but you've dropped to the 83rd position, so you're not getting any traffic from any of your keywords. The good news, where this says KD, that's keyword difficulty from 0 to 100. These are simple, right? This is an easy one. Moving along, I am going to show you this part right now. When we looked at this map pack here, this is based upon your Google My Business listing, or GMB, and it's something called citations. So you can see Bend DUI attorneys is here, Donahue and Baxter. Now, to know if you've got a Google My Business, which you do, which is great, you've basically claimed the listing. If I type in your name here, you can see right here, this is your GMB piece. However, you've just got the one photo and the rest is outside, probably from Google themselves. This is where you want to put in multiple photos, keywords. This allows you to put in a mini website, additional information, etc. So we want to optimize this particular GMB listing, and I'll tell you why. Remember Bend DUI here, Donahue? This is called WhiteSpark, and WhiteSpark allows me to say how many citations, those are name, address, and phone, on the internet, like a directory, you have. Bend DUI 19, 13, 18. Yeah, it looks like you've got some, but this is because of the cost of this is next to nothing. You really, really want to kill it here, 80, 100 citations in an optimized listing. Just think about it. Again, if I come in and I type in DUI Attorney Bend, Oregon, not only can you get traffic by being the first result down here like Donahue, but also this map pack. Hopefully that makes sense. Now, moving on. The first return was Deschutes Law Firm, Donahue Law Firm. I'm sure you've heard of them, right? So here's their site. Don't care what their site looks like, but I want to look at them in Ahrefs. Look at this, 1,000 backlinks. 244 people hit their website last month from their keywords. This is where you need to be. Realistically, you can, in 90 days, 40, 50, 60 new visits to your site every month, depending on what would convert, what would call you, right? So let's look at their keywords. Getting keywords is not easy. However, there's some tricks to it that I know from doing this so long. But look at the words DUII, right? So Oregon DUII diversion program, 100 searches a month. Very easy keyword. They're in the 11th position. These are the ones, DUI diversion program, Oregon, penalties in Oregon, DUII in Oregon, right? Oregon diversion. These are the ones that you want to start to rank for. So you need that content. You need backlinks, citations, etc. So this is really where you want to focus. You want to be that subject matter expert. So when Google does a search, you come up on that first page. You come up on that map pack, okay? And now, there we go. 3 things you want to do. I can't say it enough. You need more content on the site. Thousands of words, 1,000 words for every page except the home page that has 2,000. Backlinks, we can take those backlinks from your competitors. It's called a copycat method. We can do that so that, again, when people are putting in these keyword searches, you're coming up. Lastly, we covered it for that map pack. You've got your GMB, which is great, Google My Business Listing, but here are citations, name, address, phone, in order to do that. If you're looking to scale your practice, if you're looking to grow and add more clients, some of the best clients to get are the ones that are searching those keywords, right? Locally, that need to sit down and talk with someone. They need an attorney. These are the ones that you want to rank for. Looking forward to seeing you guys on Tuesday, and that's it. So thanks again. Have a great day. Bye-bye.